This is Marius Tech. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can be setting up this type of VPN. So the first step, we are going to go to our Google Play Store, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friend. This VPN will be working in South Africa, Uganda, and Zimbabwe on the networks Airtel Uganda, Learn from Home for Ugandans. We have Liquid Telecom in Zimbabwe. We have MTN Telecom, Vodacom in South Africa. So we are going to be setting it like this. Open Google Play Store and then go to the search bar, and then we are going to search a VPN called Hamara Tunnel. And after searching Hamara Tunnel, make sure to install that VPN. Make sure you install it. It is about like 48 MBs. Make sure you have a running data bundle on your account. Airtel in Uganda, make sure you buy Learn from Home data bundle, and those in other countries, for example Zimbabwe and South Africa, don't purchase any bundle, just use it as it is. So I'm going to open it like this, and if I open it, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to share this video to your friend. I remain Marius Tech. So make sure to update the configuration by clicking right here in the top left corner. We have these three dashes. Make sure to click them, and if we click them, make sure to click where we have the update icon, so that we can be updating our servers and wait until they tell that no updates are available. So then you will just connect, and if this VPN works in Uganda, we say that take a comment once webange ekola. In Zimbabwe, we say that share comment pasi hapo kana zafanda, and in South Africa we shall say that siya amazwana pasi lafo kuma kusembenza. Thank you guys for following. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the connect and click that button and wait for a few moments.
It's a new time and a new time to win big. This
is an Eddie. Don't forget to subscribe. The VPN is connected.